Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today we have a special guest who has been on the show before. She is none other than Tricky's daughter. She will be preparing chocolate mousse, which is a classic chocolate dessert that can be prepared in minutes with just a few ingredients. This rich and creamy, yet light and delicious chocolate fix is the perfect way to end a festive meal. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Method: add in the heavy cream to a large mixing bowl. Beat until it reaches soft peaks. Then refrigerate until it is ready to use. Next, melt the chocolate in a double boiler or in the microwave. Then remove and allow it to reach room temperature. Then add in the egg yolks to a large mixing bowl and beat using a whisk on medium speed. Then add in the sugar, water, corn syrup, salt, and vanilla extract to a small cooking pot. Heat the mixture until it reaches the temperature shown. Then immediately remove the cooking pot from the heat and gradually pour the heated mixture over the egg yolks with the mixer running. Note, it is very important to be very slow when pouring the heated mixture to prevent the eggs from getting scrambled. Continue to whip up until light and fluffy and until the mixture triples in size. Then add in the melted chocolate and whisk a little just if required. Gently fold it in until smooth. Remember, do not overmix as it can deflate the mixture. Now add in the whipped cream and as before, gently fold it in. And remember, do not overmix as it can deflate the mixture. Lastly, serve or spoon into serving bowls and refrigerate overnight. You can then pipe some buttercream or whipped cream to decorate before serving. And there you have it, rich and creamy yet light and delicious chocolate mousse. So thank you for stopping by. Hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other dessert recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video.